In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart on project management in Wrike. Whether you're new to project management or just looking to enhance your organizational skills, Gantt charts are an invaluable tool for mapping out tasks, timelines, and dependencies. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Wrike. Wrike is a versatile project management software that offers a variety of views and functionalities to help manage your projects effectively. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, simply log into your existing workspace and we'll dive right in. Once you're in Wrike, you'll need to either create a new project or navigate to an existing one that you'd like to work within. Creating a new project is as simple as clicking on the New button and following the prompts, but for this video, I'll assume you're familiar with that process. Now navigate to your project space where we'll begin setting up the Gantt chart. From your project, switch to the Gantt chart view. In Wrike, this can be done by locating the view options typically found at the top of your project space, then selecting Gantt chart. The Gantt chart provides a timeline view of your project's tasks, showing you how each fits into the overall schedule. With the Gantt chart open, it's time to adjust and organize your tasks. Here, you have the flexibility to drag and drop tasks along the timeline, and adjust start and end dates as needed. Organizing your tasks in this way gives you a clear visual representation of your project's deadlines and helps ensure that you're on track to meet them. Now, an important part of any project management process is understanding how tasks relate to one another. This is where creating task dependencies comes into play. In your Gantt chart view, you can link tasks together by establishing dependencies. Simply hover over the end of a taskbar and drag it to the start of another task. This action visually connects the tasks, showing that one must be completed before the other can begin. This step is crucial for identifying potential bottlenecks and ensuring smooth workflow progression. Lastly, customize and track your Gantt chart to make it work best for you. Wrike allows you to personalize the view by adjusting colors, filters, and task displays. Use these features to highlight critical tasks or those requiring special attention. Throughout the duration of your project, frequently revisit this chart. Keeping your Gantt chart updated helps you track progress, make informed decisions, and adjust timelines as necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in Wrike, setting a robust foundation for managing your project's timeline and resources. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more project management tips and tricks.